Brahmin's Handbags here, and welcome back to another unboxing. Y'all, I am so excited about today's unboxing. I am finally unboxing a Brahmin bag. This is my very first Brahmin bag ever, and I am super excited to share with you guys the bag that I picked up. Now, I did pick this bag up from Belk, so if you want to see the color plus the bag that I got, then make sure to stay tuned, guys. Hey everyone, if you guys are new here or if you're a returning viewer and you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. It's absolutely free to you and it lets me know you enjoy my content. I want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for choosing to subscribe to my channel. That lets me know you enjoy my content. I hope I continue to keep putting out videos that you guys will love and enjoy. So thank you for subscribing. And to all of my returning subscribers, my ride and die who has been here with me from day one, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning into my videos. I know sometimes your girl can be a little chatty or whatever, but I love talking to you guys and I love sharing my joy and love for unboxings, for handbags. So thank you guys for always tuning in and leaving nice comments down below. Your girl is trying to get caught up on responding back to comments, so bear with me. FYI, I do have on my purple sweatshirt for Purple for Mini for Premature Awareness Month. So if you guys want to join in on a hashtag, please make sure to just put that hashtag in your video so that I can post it on my community post. And also guys, I want to say that it is Natural November. My girl Simply D came out with this hashtag last year as well, where she shares all of her natural colored handbags. So if you want to join in that hashtag, make sure to show your support by hashtagging your videos Natural November so she can post it on her community post as well, guys. Now that we've got all that out the way, y'all, my excitement. Oh, y'all, I've been wanting a Brahmin for a little minute. And yes, your girl gonna get a little chatty real quick before we get into the unboxing. So if you want to fast forward to the unboxing, go ahead. But if you like listening to me ramble on, then here we go. Y'all, I've been wanting a Brahmin for a little minute. I remember, I think back like in 2022 or 2021, I shared my mom's Brahmin with you guys, and I have been on the hunt for the color that I've wanted from Brahmin, which is a really beautiful like lime green and pink color. If I can find a picture, I will throw it up on the screen for you guys. They have it in the medium size but not the large, and I fell in love with the large Duxbury, so I want it in the large, but unfortunately it is not restocking. So I was just like, okay, well maybe I can't get that color, but maybe I can get another color. Well, you know how we get when we get to scrolling on all these different sites and seeing the sales that's going on, especially during the holiday time. And your girl got caught up on Belk.com, and I just happened to type in Brahmin handbags, and lo and behold, y'all, the bag that I purchased popped up on the screen, and the price was so phenomenal, I had to add the cart immediately, y'all. And I am so glad that I did, because this color is absolutely gorgeous and it's also in the size that I want. So now I'm going to go ahead and throw up the unboxing. All right, guys, so the bag is here, and it is my Brahmin Duxbury bag, and it did come in this dust bag, and it is in this gorgeous color. Do y'all see this color? It is so beautiful, y'all. This is in the color Electric Indigo in the Mulberry Ombre color, and it's called the large Duxbury satchel, y'all. Now this bag is absolutely gorgeous. I picked it up off of Belk, and this bag, y'all, was $155. Yes, you heard me, $155. Now y'all know Brahmin bags, especially their leather bags, hardly ever goes on sale. So when I saw this bag for $155, I added to cart immediately. With tax, it came out to like about $182. I couldn't beat that, because this bag on the Brahmin site in this color is going for $325, y'all. So I have my laptop here, so if y'all see me keep glancing back over, it's because I'm checking my laptop. Now they do have this color available on the site for $325. They do have the matching wallet as well. The matching wallet is going for $125 on the site as well. I am thinking about picking up the wallet just so I can have a wallet and an accessory piece that matches this bag exactly. But this color is gorgeous, y'all. So of course, with the lighting, it looks like a nice yellowish gold undertone to it with the swirls and the croco, but sometimes it also looks green as well too, or like a yellow color, depending on how the light hits it. But this bag is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. This color is gorgeous. Now I'm assuming this bag was on clearance because of the fact of the color, because it's more of a spring color, and I'm thinking that Belk is trying to, you know, get rid of all their spring and summer bags. That's just what I'm thinking, okay? But it is out of stock on Belk.com, but it is still available on Brahmin. I will make sure to leave the link to the Brahmin site as well too for this bag. So let's get into the details of this beautiful bag. Now this bag can be worn 3 different ways. So you can wear this bag by the top handle. You can wear it crossbody because you have your D-rings on either side, or you can wear it as a short shoulder. Now you guys already know me, I love wearing my satchels as a short shoulder, so I will carry it either as a short shoulder or by the top handle. Now let's go over some of the features of this beautiful bag. First off, all the hardware on the bag is in gold. You do get your gold Brahmin plate here on the front. You get the Brahmin hang tag here as well, and it just says Brahmin established in 1982 with the ship here on the front. You do get 4 feet. Y'all know I love a bag that has 4 feet. Absolutely love it. And then it does come with a back slip pocket right here. Now I'm not gonna lie, this back slip pocket is kind of tight. I was able to fit my phone back here, but it was a tight fit, so I don't know if this will loosen up over time or not, because like I said, this is my first Brahmin and I'm excited to have her in my collection. Now I know the eye is something that a lot of people talk about when it comes to the Brahmin. As you guys can see, I have one down here at the bottom, and then I also have one here on the back as well too. So I am loving this bag. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now the other thing that I love about this bag as well too, besides the size of the bag, guys, is that the handles on the bag can lay down flat. Now, if you're like me and you like wearing your bags as a short shoulder carry, then this is very comfortable and convenient compared to the ones that are stationary and they just stand up. I also love the fact that it has a nice wide opening, and that zipper is smooth, y'all. Y'all caught that? Girl, that zipper is smooth. Okay, Brahmin. So this bag has a nice wide opening, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the stuffing out so we can take a better look in the inside. And they do have it stuffed nicely. All right, so here is the crossbody on here. And I did notice that the crossbody is a little bit different from what we're used to when it comes to crossbody and adjusting it. So just so that you guys can see, it has the little knob here to adjust it, and I'm gonna see if I can try to take it off to show you guys, but these are really hard to take off. So that is what it looks like, and you can adjust it. Let's see, that's one. Yeah, I don't know how this adjusts, because y'all see this? Like, it has, the holes are here. So I'm gonna have to play around with this and figure out how I can adjust this to wear it as a short shoulder. Now in the interior, as you guys can see, this bag is pretty tall, so you definitely get a lot of room. I love that light tan lining in the inside, so when you open the bag up, you can definitely see all of your essentials. Now this bag does come with a back zipper compartment. It does have the Electric Indigo color zipper tab on the back as well too. And then on the front, you do get 2 slip pockets and a pin pocket as well too. So hopefully you guys can see that. And then you also get a key leash for this as well too. Yeah, this bag, y'all, is so beautiful. I love this color. Now, I have been debating on whether or not I'm going to wear this bag for the fall and winter. You guys know that I've mentioned before that I kind of do wear my bags according to the seasons color-wise. So I like my light, brighter color bags for the spring and summer. And then, of course, my darker color bags for the fall and winter. I am loving everything about this bag. Okay, so let's go over the dimensions for the bag. Now, the height of this bag is 12 inches tall. The width of the bag is 14.2 inches. And then the depth of the bag is 5 inches. Okay, so you get a nice wide bottom. That way you definitely can fit all of your essentials. Now this will fit an iPad as well too. So just FYI, if you guys were wondering, it will fit an iPad as well. The handle drop on here is 4 inches. Now the crossbody drop on here is 13 inches as well too, guys. Okay, I'm excited to finally share my first Brahmin with you guys. Let me know what you think about the color that I picked up, guys. And also let me know down in the comments, do you guys have any Brahmins in your collection? And if so, is it a Duxbury or is it a different silhouette? Okay. All right, guys, so if you stuck with me this far, thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate it. Please make sure to go ahead and like this video as well as share it. Don't forget to leave your nice comment down below, and also make sure to click that bell. That way you're always notified every time I upload some new content. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.